When you open your LinkedIn app, you might receive notifications that's not relevant to you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage those kind of notifications on LinkedIn. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more LinkedIn tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can manage your notification on LinkedIn. Let's go. First of all, open up your LinkedIn app, then tap on the notification icon at the bottom right. Then click on the settings icon, which is the gear icon at the top right. And then you can see here, notifications you receive. So you have a lot of notifications when you're searching for jobs or when you're hiring someone, connecting with others. So you can allow connection related notifications. And then you can have network connection update, posting and commenting, attending events, news and report. Now LinkedIn have a lot of notifications. So for me, sometimes when you open notifications, there's a lot of notifications that you just do not want to receive. So for me, that's how I do it. I just want to turn off certain notifications that does not mean anything to me. For example, games. I don't need game notifications, so I just turn it off. So this is a good way for you to clean up your notifications because you do not want to have so many different notifications that's not related to you and that's not really interested for you. And that's the reason why I want to share this with you, to share to you how you can manage your LinkedIn notification updates. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.